What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while that I posted anything. Today it's just gonna be something simple. It's not gonna be anything too difficult. But if it's difficult for you, this is the way I do it. I'm gonna mount this up on that wall so I can get rid of this, you know? But yeah, let's get the screws and bolts and all that other stuff that we need to begin. I got everything off, took the TV off the stand here. What I'm gonna do now is take the piece that goes into the wall, put it there, and hope I don't get shocked, because look what happens. Stud finder. Follow, that's the stud. That's where it is. That's what those red lines indicate. However, what scares me is that, you see that? It means there could be a wire back there, or it means there's a wire back there. So yeah, I'm gonna record it and hope that I don't get shocked in doing so. And if I do, you'll see it. So I got 3 holes here that I gotta drill in. 1, 2, 3. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to drill 3 small holes. These 3 holes are going to be for the mount that I have for the TV mount. So that right there, that's how it's going to look once it's on. However, I have to screw these in with this cheap ratchet wrench that I bought off of Amazon like 4 years ago. It's okay. It's not that bad. From Chemo. It's all right. It does the job. But I'm just gonna screw these. This is the 9/16 screw. So I already screwed in 2, not all the way tight, but tight enough so that I could then level it to see if it's straight. Or this little lever. You know what the hell I mean. It's the thing that tells you if you have it centered or not. It's a leveler, right? Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, all right? Anyways, but so what I should have did that I didn't do, oh gosh, was I should have, this is now stuck. What I should have done that I did, oh gosh, what I should have done that I didn't do was I didn't put these plastic pieces in there. Stuff that you gotta put in the wall first, and then you drill it inside. So make a hole, stick this in the hole, and then you screw the screw inside. I didn't do that. Should have did it, didn't do it. It's not the end of the world if that's how you did, or if that's how you do your, you know, putting this up. There's like 5 other TVs. I think 1 of them or 2 of them don't have that support on it. It's fine. It's been up for a long time. They're okay. So it's not the end of the world if you don't put those plastic screws in there, but it does help, I must say. So before I tighten them up, what I'm going to do is take this, set it right there. I'll set it up here. And it's a little off. It's a good thing I didn't tighten it up, because it's actually supposed to be this way a little bit. Let me see if that helped. Oh yeah, that helped all right. So now we just finished screwing in the rest of the screws, and then we should be good. Should be good to go to put up the TV, you know. Let's be on the safe side. I'm gonna try and tighten it by hand. You always want to tighten stuff by hand afterwards. You don't want to over tighten things, like when you're doing things on vehicles. You don't want to over tighten Good thing about this is can loosen the bottom, straighten it if you need to. In this case, according to this, I need to by a smidge. That's good, that's in the center, we're good. All right, now I'm gonna keep on checking. Yeah, that's in the middle. All right. And how do you know it's in the middle, disciple? Oh snap, that's my gaming channel, man. Manny, how you know? See that? Oh wait. All right. It's in the center. Good. It's a little off. I know what you smart Alex are gonna say. It's not fully in the center. You know what the heck I mean. And you know it's okay. So with that being said, oh, wait. That's there. Now I'll grab the TV and then mount it on this bad boy. All right, once I took off the legs to the TV, I can now, this TV is really, really light. That's pretty much it. I mean, you see how it looks. Oh, too close. My apologies. Let me see. I gotta clean it. All right, don't judge me. That's pretty much how it looks. It's gonna be in the corner. I just gotta maneuver it and fix it. But there you go. And fix this so that it doesn't look far out like it does. That's pretty much how you, hope I explained it well. I know I don't do a great job on recording my stuff and explaining it as I'm doing it. I just rather do it and you see it, but I feel like talking through the video kind of helps too, some people. But yeah, with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys more towards the summer and later spring. I'll be doing oil changes and I'll be doing a whole bunch of different things for the channel. Thank you guys again for watching. Have a blessed one. Peace.